Good day everyone. So welcome again to our math classroom with your teacher, Teacher Dan. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the parts of a circle. A circle is a closed figure shape having the same distance from the center. So the two uh, characteristic of a circle, it has a closed curved shape, and the second one, same distance from the center. So that is the two characteristics of a circle. So let's have the different parts of the circle. This part, it is called the center of your circle. It is called the origin, or the center of the circle. The line is one. That line that from the center to any point of the circle, it is called your radius. So a radius is distance from the center of the circle to any point of a circle. The next one, this color green line here, it is called your diameter. Okay, the diameter, it is the longest distance from one end of a circle to another. So it is the line that passing through the center. So diameter should pass through the center of the circle. Okay, so that is diameter. The line does not pass through the center, this one, it is called chord. A chord is a line segment within a circle that touch 2 points of the circle, which does not pass through the center of the circle. The next one, the curved line here from this point to this point, it is called arc. An arc is a curved line that is part of the circumference of a circle. So this is a curved line within the circumference of a circle. What is circumference? So that's total distance around a circle. That is circumference. Circumference from here going back here. So that is the circumference. Part of it, it is called arc. Okay. The next one, the line here, line that a chord that passed through the circle touches 2 points here. So we have here and here. It is called secant of a circle. So secant of a circle, or the secant. So secant, it is a chord that reach out into outside the circle. So a chord that extend outside the circle. And the last part here, a line that touch one part or one point of the circle. It is called tangent. Okay, so touch the circle. So one touch of the circle, it is called the tangent of a circle. So a secant has 2 points and a tangent has 1 point. So that is the different part of a circle. Thank you for listening.